conquer addiction with hypnosis. An addiction can take control of a person's life. For example, a successful man who is an alcoholic can lose everything, including his business, family, and reputation, because of the devastating effects of his alcohol addiction. Alcohol is just one of many debilitating addictions that can affect our lives. Others include tobacco, prescription medication, food, recreational drugs, or even sex. When a person is under the power of an addiction, that addiction controls their work relationships, personal relationships, and so much more. A person that is addicted to something is hindering and limiting their life. To live without addiction is to experience life as it should be, as we are born. There are several reasons why a person may become addicted to something. Some of the reasons include poor self-esteem, a traumatic experience, stress, or simple old bad judgment. If you are addicted to something, I am sure you have tried to regain control of your life and end the vicious cycle. For some people this is easy, but for many others, it's a desperate fight that seems to go on and on. Hypnosis is an effective way to conquer addiction. The process of hypnosis is safe, gentle, and extremely rewarding. Hypnosis works on a subconscious level. While a person is undergoing hypnosis, they are induced into a deep state of relaxation. The subconscious mind is highly receptive to new perspectives and ideas during this state of deep relation. The subconscious mind will receive positive suggestions that have an individual visualize a life without addiction. During the visualization process, the individual is able to feel how great a life without addiction is, and this can be extremely profound. While an individual is in the process of hypnosis, the individual is given encouragement, motivation, confidence-building statements, and a definite plan to conquer addiction. The positive suggestions that the subconscious mind receives causes the individual to change their negative behavior and thinking patterns. It is because of this change that a person is able to conquer their addiction. Hypnosis alleviates both stress and anxiety, calming the nerves, the mind, and the whole body. People who have undergone hypnosis have greater confidence and increased self-esteem. If you want to conquer your addiction and turn your goals into reality, I recommend, as a practicing hypnotherapist, that you seek out the services of a qualified hypnotherapist in your area. Hypnosis can help you to conquer your addiction and live a happier, healthier, and more rewarding life.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.